Looking for a brand new luxury home with a separate mother-in-law suite, a separate entrance, living room, kitchen, and bedroom? Welcome to 14737 56th Avenue here in Tukwila, where modern design, luxury premium finishes, and over 6,000 square feet of land come together. From the moment you arrive, this home makes a statement with its beautiful natural stone exterior, custom wood front door, and sleek frosted glass garage door. Step inside and you're welcomed by a grand two-story entry with a stunning chandelier that sets the tone for the rest of the home. The open concept layout creates the perfect space for everyday living and entertaining. Oversized windows fill the home with natural light and offer peaceful views of the surrounding trees. Every detail was thoughtfully designed, from the modern lighting throughout the home to the elegant 8-foot doors, oversized trim, and the illuminated staircase with built-in LED lighting and modern black steel railings. With a spacious layout, there's plenty of room for family, guests, or entertaining. The living room features a dramatic floor-to-ceiling porcelain fireplace, creating a warm and elegant centerpiece. And this kitchen is a showstopper. You'll love the spectacular waterfall island, premium natural stone countertops, custom cabinetry, designer backsplash, and high-end Samsung stainless steel appliances. Upstairs, you'll find a large bonus room that's perfect for movie nights, a home office, or a playroom. The primary suite is your own private retreat, complete with a balcony overlooking the trees, a custom walk-in closet, and a spa-inspired bathroom featuring a freestanding soaking tub, oversized glass shower with a rainfall shower head, designer finishes, and beautiful natural stone countertops. If you're looking for modern luxury, thoughtful design, and endless potential, this home is one you do not want to miss. So if you're thinking of buying, selling, or investing in real estate, don't hesitate to give me a call. This is Beverly Auffray of eXp Realty, the fastest growing real estate company in the world.